Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor lounge chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Nestle Patio chairs, a premium option that offers a set of 2 outdoor chaise lounge chairs. These chairs are built with weatherproof polypropylene resin and feature a stylish wood grain design. With 5 reclining positions, including the ability to lay completely flat, these chairs cater to your relaxation needs, whether you're sunbathing, reading, or taking a nap. The chairs are lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 265 pounds, and are resistant to UV rays, water, mildew, and rust, making them ideal for long-term outdoor use. When it comes to assembly, the Nestle chairs score extra points. It takes just 5 minutes, and the chairs stack neatly for storage when not in use. While the sleek and modern design makes them visually appealing, their comfort level is good but not outstanding due to the firm polypropylene material. These are best suited for individuals who prioritize durability and style over plush comfort. The downside? At $147.99, these chairs are the most expensive on our list, and the price may feel steep given the lack of cushioning. However, if you're looking for a set of chairs that are built to last and retain their aesthetic appeal in harsh outdoor conditions, the Nestle Patio chairs are an excellent choice. Pros include their durability, easy assembly, and stacking storage, while cons are their firm seating surface and higher price tag. At rank number 4, we have the SUTEC Zero Gravity Chair, a versatile and ergonomic option for those who want maximum comfort and adjustability. This chair features true zero-gravity reclining, elevating your legs and relieving pressure on your back and shoulders. With an upgraded aluminum lock system, you can securely adjust the chair's recline angle between 90 degrees and 170 degrees, making it perfect for relaxing, reading, or even napping. The chair is built with heavy-duty steel tubing and durable Texlan fabric, supporting a massive 440 pounds. It includes a 4-inch thick detachable cushion for added comfort, a padded headrest, and even a multifunctional cup holder for convenience. Despite its robust construction, it folds easily for portability, making it an excellent choice for camping, patio use, or poolside lounging. However, at 20.2 pounds, it's heavier than many other options, which could be a drawback for frequent travelers. While the SUTEC Zero Gravity Chair excels in comfort and build quality, it does have some limitations. The cushion can get warm during the summer months, and the chair's bulkier size makes it less portable than others on this list. But for $74.33, you're getting a chair that combines comfort, durability, and functionality at a reasonable price. Pros include its ergonomic design, high weight capacity, and included accessories, while cons are its weight and slightly warm cushion during extended use in the heat. Taking the 3rd spot is the Songmix Sun Lounger, which stands out for its practicality and thoughtful design. This folding lounge chair is equipped with an adjustable canopy, allowing you to enjoy the sun without glare or discomfort. The backrest tilts to 4 different angles, while the detachable headrest adds an extra layer of comfort. At a weight capacity of 330 pounds, this chair feels stable and wobble-free, thanks to its powder-coated steel frame and anti-slip feet. One of the highlights of the Songmix Sun Lounger is its breathable synthetic fabric, which keeps you cool during hot summer days. The chair is lightweight and folds compactly, making it easy to transport for poolside lounging or relaxing in the garden. However, it lacks padding, so while the material is breathable, it's not the most comfortable option for extended use. Priced at $79.99, this chair strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for those who want a no-frills lounger with practical features like the canopy for shade. Pros include its adjustable angles and canopy, stable construction, and portability. Cons are its lack of cushioning and its somewhat narrow seat width, which might not suit all users. Coming in at number 2 is the WK Famout Outdoor Folding Lounge Chair, which combines comfort with versatility. The unique double-layer cotton padding provides excellent support and softness. making it one of the most comfortable options on our list. With 5 adjustable reclining positions, this chair caters to various relaxation needs. Whether you're sunbathing, reading, or napping. The chair is built with a heavy-duty steel tube frame and durable Oxford fabric. Supporting up to 264 pounds, it includes thoughtful features like a detachable pillow for head support and side pockets for storing small essentials. Its compact, tri-fold design makes it portable and easy to store. Although at 15.43 pounds, it's not the lightest chair on this list. At $99.99, the WK Famout Lounge Chair is slightly pricier than other options, but it delivers excellent comfort and functionality. It's ideal for anyone looking for a padded chair that works well for both indoor and outdoor use. Pros include its superior padding, adjustable positions, and storage pockets, while cons are its higher price and slightly heavier weight for portability. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Ostrich Beach Lounge Chair, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features. Priced at just $62.45, this chair offers patented open-close face cavities and arm slots, making it perfect for sunbathers and those who love to read while lying face down. The lightweight, foldable design and convenient carrying strap make it highly portable, ideal for beach trips or poolside relaxation. Despite its affordable price, the Ostrich Lounge Chair is built to last, featuring a rust-resistant aluminum frame and heavy-duty polyester fabric. It supports up to 250 pounds and offers 4 reclining positions, allowing you to customize your lounging experience. The breathable fabric ensures you stay cool and dry even on the hottest days. The Ostrich Beach Lounge Chair has some limitations, such as its lower weight capacity compared to other chairs on this list and a sled-based design that might not suit all terrains. However, for its price, it delivers an impressive range of features and is perfect for casual loungers who value portability and affordability. Pros include its unique face cavity design, lightweight construction, and budget-friendly pricing, while cons are its lower weight capacity and less plush seating surface. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.